Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Not talking about this today. Our G82 is in a vlog coming soon. We are changing the brakes out. Not talking about this G82 M4. They've had him a complete carbon kit. This car was in a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen that vlog, check it out. We're talking about this. Modifications on our M135i are now done.
So in the previous video, this car was all detailed, cleaned up and ready to go. But we've got some extra parts to put on there from the old 1 series that we used to have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean those up, get them onto the car, and then show you the finished results.
So next day, as you can see, the car looks incredible. I'm over the moon with it. We already knew what it was going to look like because all the parts come off of our previous M135i in white, so we had an idea of how it would look. But there's an idea of what you think it looks like and actually what it looks like. And this colour is stunning. I can't wait to get it out on the road. The car's still done no miles. It literally went straight to us, to the detailing bay, onto the ramp and sat here. It's done 7 miles. So next time you probably see it in another vlog, it's done a lot more miles. I'm blown away with how it looks. So things we've done on it, start to finish, so we're going to do a recap of all the previous mods and obviously what we've done to it existingly. So first off, what we've done is change the grille out. The original serum grey grille is actually quite nice and works well on some of the black cars and things like that. But on this green, had to go straight away. Gloss black genuine M Performance one with the lower ducts as well, replace those. It's a bumper off job to do it properly, so hence a bit labour intensive, but transforms the car. Fitted our Zaero front, sides and rear diffuser. Yet again, they come off of our M135i previously before. We did have grills on the white car as well, but they got a little bit marked and stone chipped over a number of years we have in the car, so I swapped them out for brand new ones. This car, the wheels came across. Steve done a really good job of getting the wheels up to 100%, like he probably explained earlier on. The parts come off of a used car, so they were kind of 80%. We have to get them to 100%, so of course they've gone through a detailing process and then coated in C5 wheel armour. Have to think about that to protect the wheels. Yet again, brakes were taken across, fitted new pads, gone for the EBC blue stuff front this time and yellow stuff rear, so I'll report on how they are. Previously had the yellow stuff onto it, front and rear, which were fine, but sometimes I always felt like I could do a bit more. These cars are quite quick and they're quite heavy, so upped it to the blue, and I'll do a report on those in a future vlog as well. Change the springs out. Previously we rang the Ibacks 30 front, 25 rear, which is a perfect kit for this, but now we have our own spring kit developed, which is lower, 35 front, 30 rear, and it looks amazing. Sitting on these wheels, absolutely perfect, can't wait to drive it. Maxton top spoiler, our Remus exhaust, which was obviously taken yet again off the previous car. Tailpipes are tidied up just to fit onto this. Complete detail, looks amazing. Gloss black M badges, new mirror caps, just a phenomenal looking car. The response so far of obviously people seeing the teaser of it being from grey to green on the vlog. So after the B-roll, one more thing we're going to just do is do the revs, sound of the standard exhaust against the Remus as well. So let us know so far what you think of the new M135i in Isle of Man Green. Thanks a lot.